You ready to paint?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Now, what you're gonna paint is all of this.
Okay.
You don't paint the leaves, don't paint the clouds, just this.
Just don't paint the clouds?
Nope.
Or the leaves?
You'll paint that in a minute.
Okay.
In a little while. Now.
Okay. Get the brush.
Yeah. Clean out the lid first. There you go. Now paint all of this. But don't touch the cloud and don't touch the leaves, okay?
Okay. It's okay.
No, it's not.
No, no. Okay, I'll be careful.
What are you doing?
I love painting.
Up and down like this.
Okay. Okay, I'll do it. Okay.
Don't put in the water. You don't need no more water. Just, you need paint. Good job.
Up and down, up and down, up and down. Da, 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 da. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Why do the clouds now?
No, you gotta go all the way around there. Gotta paint the purple first.
Okay.
Don't touch the leaves. Now, look at that. Fix it.
Okay.
Oh, fix that big drop right there. There you go.
There's the leaf. Why is water now?
Nope.
Not yet.
Well.
Up and down, around. Oh, up and down. Tick, tick, tick. Up and down, around.
Quit staring at the camera. Good. Paint.
Up and down, around. Up and down, Up and down. Up and down.
Are you gonna paint?
Yeah, I
Or
am.
you gonna stare at the camera?
Paint.
Okay.
Up and down, up
Paint
and
over
down.
here too.
Paint over here.
Yeah.
I touched the wheel. I do the clown now. No, not yet. Up and down, up and down.
Got the first coat on the purple.
Yeah, the first coat on.
Don't stick it in there so far, honey. Hold it. Now, you gotta do the purple on this side.
On this side. I'm not going to touch the bird.
Okay.
I'm doing green, huh? First, put your hands.